Hola gente bonita. Hoy es día de cuarentena número, no sé. Quiero que disfruten de estos clips que he hecho en la cuarentena.
It's March 16th, and you know what that means. It was time to go back to school for classes. But turns out I can't go to class because of Corona. We had to go back to pick up all of my stuff, which is here. But now, after 2.5 hours of cleaning, we are officially done. I have moved out. My roommate still hadn't gone yet, but my car was packed. We had to get a meal before we left for the road because we were tired. So now we're on the road. Bye. I built a puzzle when I got back from school. It took me like a week to finish, but I didn't finish it alone. My sister did, actually, because I had put some pieces in the wrong place. My mom decided to make a TikTok with me. She was so excited about it, and I couldn't let her down.
Pero estás viendo que Nora.
Mamá,
no tiene los pasos.
okay, pues ahorita. This is just practice. Practice makes perfect. No, ponte aquí.
¡Ándale!
Okay.
¿Quién empieza yo?
Mamá, you know. Mamá, no, otro.
No lo borres, hombre.
No lo borré. Pero ya te lo sabes o no.
Ya.
Hacemos frente. Ponte en el centro.
Ya, otra vez.
Esto es lo que voy a hacer hoy.
As you could tell from the last clip, I was so excited to do the tie-dye, but I really was. It was just very hot outside, and I was doing my setup to keep the camera in place so I can get the shot, but it didn't happen. So then we played some golf inside, and it took a couple of tries, as you can tell. He got a little frustrated with me. I couldn't hold the camera still. These few clips are me being in a mood because online classes had just started and I wasn't sure how I was going to do it, but it has all turned out very fine. I was just catching up on some sleep that I needed in these sleeps, obviously, and some rest, some food. Everything is fine now, and more quarantine diaries to come.
Pero muchas gracias por verlo y suscríbanse y adiós.